Hi, this is Paul Brigham again. This is the second group of quail that I've caught here. There you see it. It's a little trap. Now, the other one that I had set is over here, and you can tell that it's been moved. It was up in there, and then there was feathers in it, and they got out of it. Just like I said, they will figure out how to get out, and you can tell they've been in there because there's feathers in there. But they've moved it around a little, and then they escaped. That's the great thing about this trap. Anyhow, this is Paul Brigham, Brigham 939 of the Brigham Tea Company. Thanks for watching.